Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to hide last seen in Telegram. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your Telegram app and tap on top left 3 lines. After that you have to click on settings. Now here you have to click on settings. After clicking on settings, you have to click on privacy. Now here you have to scroll down and click on last seen. Click on this last seen option. Now everyone will be selected here, then here you have to select nobody. After setting, click on the top right OK button. And click on OK again. In this way you can hide last seen in Telegram. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.